How to check exact time and duration of call on iPhone. Open the phone app on your iPhone and head over to the Recents tab. If you've recently called someone or received a call, you'll see their name or number listed there. Some calls might show the exact time like this, but others might just say things like yesterday without giving you the full details. To see more info about any specific call, just tap the small icon next to it. That will open up a full breakdown showing the exact time of the call, whether it was incoming or outgoing, and how long the call lasted. For example, if it says this and incoming call, that means the other person called you, and you'll see the full duration listed right below. Now, if you accidentally delete that call by swiping left and tapping the trash can, don't worry. There's still a way to recover the information. Open up any web browser and search for your carrier's call logs. For example, type AT&T call logs if you use AT&T. Then go to the official site and sign into your carrier account using your login info. Once you're in, select your specific line or device to view detailed records. You'll be able to see all your recent calls, the exact phone numbers, call durations, times, and even text message logs depending on the provider. This works for most carriers, so if you're not with AT&T, you can still do the same thing by logging into your provider's website. It's a great way to track your full call history even after it's been deleted from your iPhone.